loves. So today we're going to unbox another Tribe beauty box. They were nice enough to send this box to me, so thank you to them for sharing this with me. I've already peeked in here, and I'm going to tell you right now, I'm more impressed with this box than I was with the last one. I did like the last one. I just already owned quite a few things inside of it. But I'm very excited. I haven't checked out everything in the box, but just that first peek, super stoked. So they did send me a little bit of information that I'm going to share with you before I get into this unboxing. All right, so first of all, we do have a code. So I will put it up on the screen, but it's TBB Gift 5. Leave the Balm Smoke Balm Volume 4, 1450, which is a promo gift for new subscribers. So that is definitely a cool thing that they have included for you. It says Tribe Beauty Box sends you a box of 5 to 6 full-size products every 2 months. So every other month, every 2 months for $34.99. The box always has over $100 value. This box right here is valued at $127.50. The box always has one item for face, skin, eyes, lips, and a tool. That's awesome. So it's kind of an all-in-one, something for everything. The whole box gives you enough for a full face. And the selection of products is a premium. It's different from the brands and type of products you receive in regular boxes. So it's saying that they include different brands that not all of the other beauty boxes include, which is great. As well as receiving trendy products that you can find at Sephora or Ulta, you get to try some great indie brands, which is so cool. I like being able to try all kinds of makeup. You guys know that. We always try and include at least 100% female-owned indie brand. That's awesome. They launched in November 2017. First box went out in December 2017. They aren't even a year old yet. They started with 4 to 5 deluxe and full-size products and now give you 5 full-size products. This box has 6 full-size products. They're just saying as the longer they're around, the better their box is getting. I'm really excited. This box is literally bulging. I don't know if you can see that, but it's so full of stuff. So let's go ahead and jump into this box. Again, I'll leave that discount code down below. So if you want to subscribe to this, then you can get a free product. It's not an affiliate link or anything like that. It's just a code that they've given the influencers that they sent this box to, so you guys can get a free product. Whoo! Okay. Okay. What's cool is this guy also includes one of those little sheets that tells you all about each product in the box. This is the first thing on the list, so we will talk about this guy first. I do not own a bunch of the balm, but I'm always super intrigued, and I actually saw this palette on someone's Instagram and was like, that looks so pretty. But again, I'm on like a no buy unless it's like absolutely necessary, and pretty much unless it's like a Revolution product or something that I know you guys are going to really enjoy. I'm not purchasing like any makeup right now, so this is super exciting for me. The Balm Me Matte Schmaker? Schmaker, is that how you say it? This guy retails for $29.50. It says the eyeshadow palette features a selection of highly pigmented triple milled shades that feel oh so smooth. The 6 matte and shimmer shades are designed to complement each other so you can mix and match to your heart's desire. So again, this guy retails for $29.50. Oh my goodness, look how cute the inside of that is. Okay, you're probably going to see my camera, but I don't even care because I want you guys to see the little hearts around the mirror. And then this is what the actual palette looks like. Those shades are so pretty, and I'm just getting really drawn into like this guy down here. So like 6 little duos. So really it's 12 shades, like the top 3, which is the bottom 3 because I'm holding it upside down. But look at these very wonderful neutral shades. And then you've got some nice, really great smoky shadows down there. So I'm excited to try this guy. Let me swatch some. They're little tiny pans, but you guys, honestly, like I'm never going to go through any of these. But if you love them a lot, then I mean, maybe you will go through a pan. You can really tell how they're going to go together. I just feel like they're very similar in tone, and you get a matte and a shimmer in each little duo. Look at that, you guys. Wow. Ooh, I am excited about this eyeshadow palette. Look at this. But those are some really beautiful and pigmented shades. I'm really excited about that. So cute. Okay, this is a major win for me because I'm actually excited to use it. It's a full-size eyeshadow palette. $29.50 right there. So almost the cost of the box on its own. Oh, cute. I got a makeup eraser. I actually have a video somewhere on my channel trying the original makeup eraser. This one is a mini, so this will be great for travel or just if you want a smaller one, because you don't really need the full-size one. I feel like you can get away with a smaller one. This retails for $12. The makeup eraser mini will erase all makeup, including waterproof mascara, eyeliner, and foundation. Reusable, machine washable, and lasts 3 to 5 years. Throw the mini in your purse or suitcase, and you have a makeup remover that is compact and you can take it anywhere. It's a little more environmentally friendly because you're not, wasting anything. So this is a cool little product they included. There's like this giant kit in here. Oh girl, this is even cooler than I thought it was. So this is an ombre like lip kit where you get like 2 full-size lips and a lip liner. So this retails for $45 right here, which I believe it for that many products. This is the set that is the answer for beautiful, long-lasting, transfer-proof lip color. Included is a matte gel lip liner to define and shape the lips, and 2 kiss-proof lip cream liquid lipsticks in a lighter and darker shade to achieve the ombre lip effect. Ooh. We'll swatch these, but you can see I got like, it's like a red and a pink and a red lip liner. I'm not exactly sure which one I got, but I got, it says it comes with a red, a nude, and a truly red liner. That nude shade, that pinky nude, is like calling my name. So let's swatch that guy first. So good. Pinky nude. Like, it's a little darker than my ideal nude. It smells very fruity. So that's the nude one. This red looks beautiful. It looks like a deeper, like cherry red. That's the red. Those are so pretty. Ugh, so good. And then let's swatch that lip liner as well. It's kind of like a cherry red lip liner. Ooh, those are so pretty. So pretty. I'm excited about that. Not only did I get a lip color that I will use, I got 3 products that I will use. I'm not sure how often I'll use it to actually do an ombre lip, but I love each color individually, so I'm very excited. I will definitely use that lip liner with the red shade. And then I think I'll probably just wear the nude one on its own personally. So you can do whatever you want. Mix them, match them, girl. Next we have a cleansing stick. The brand is Masquerade. Let's Face It Purifying Cleansing Stick. This retails for $21. This mild but mighty multi-cleanser cleanses, balances, and nourishes the skin for fresh face clean in a few easy steps with a portable stick application. It's 100% natural, handmade, and vegan. It's also free of parabens, synthetic preservatives, artificial fragrances, and pigments. So it's $21. The packaging is very cute. It's very pink. Again, I'm out of my favorite cleanser, so I'm totally down to try any new cleansers right now. Now I've got 2. I just did my BoxyCharm unboxing and I got a cleanser in there too. So ooh, this is cute. Look at that. Oh, it smells good. So the inside is pink as well. It's got like little bits in there. I'm assuming whatever's in there is going to be good for exfoliating and cleansing. 10 out of 10 packaging. It has an actual expiration date. I love when there's an actual expiration date because I never remember when I buy a product. So it's good to know when I should stop using them. So when they put an actual date forecasted from their manufacture date, like that, if that makes sense at all. I always definitely appreciate that. And I think especially with products that don't really have preservatives in them, that really helps. So this is really cool. Pro makeup brushes, the Smoky Eye Kit. Both of these brushes look completely up my alley. You've got a shadow brush, and then you've got a dual-ended fluffy blender that's got one of those flat shader brush. Hopefully that makes sense. I'm all about both of those. I'm not going to bother opening this, but those look really nice. I don't think I've tried Moda brushes. I feel like I may have gotten some in a beauty box before, but I don't remember ever actually using them. I could have, but I don't like really remember. I've heard a lot about this brand lately. I feel like they've been sending out a lot of brushes to certain like beauty influencers and stuff like that. So I'm definitely excited to try them. I've heard all really good things, and it says that this includes a step-by-step how-to guide inside. So that's really cool for beginners who want to create a smoky eye, that all you really need are these brushes and you can do that. So that's definitely cool. This guy retails for $7.99. All right, and then we have the free product that you guys will get if you use that code. So it comes with 3 shadows in here. It's Smoke Bomb. So this kind of goes hand in hand with that brush set, because if you're going to create a smoky eye, then you have this little kit right here, which is very cute. I'm not going to swatch this guy because I will probably put this in a giveaway or something like that, because there's only 3 shades and I personally don't reach for palettes with only 3 shades that often, but these are perfect. I'm trying to be realistic about like beauty boxes in the products that I get because I won't use them all. So I do want to give back and give you guys a giveaway soon. So I'm probably going to put this in the giveaway, but these look really, really beautiful. That looks like a beautiful transition shade. It's really hard because I feel like this might be a really easy everyday palette. I don't know. We'll see. This is one of the best 3-pan palettes that I have ever seen, because you have a transition shade, a brow bone highlight, and a deeper shade. So kudos to the bomb for putting this together, because I feel like this is actually a 3-pan palette that I will use. I feel like it's rare that they put 3 shades that actually go together in one of these, and there's even like a step-by-step on the back as well. So that's definitely cool, but I will probably pass this guy along just because I'm trying to, again, be realistic. But if I didn't have a lot of makeup, I'd be super excited. I just have more makeup than any human ever needs. All right, love, so next in the box is the Crown Brush Pro Blush Brush. This retails for $12. It is just a blush brush, but this looks perfect. I love using brushes like this to actually contour because I feel like it blends them so well. So it's got kind of a taper. So if you don't want to just use it for blush, I'm probably use this to contour because I feel like this is going to fit in right there. Whoa, that's a lot of blush today, girl. Yeah, it's very soft. I will definitely get used out of this. I like the Crown brushes, how they have the little finger placement. And again, this guy retails for 12 bucks. Sweet. All right, love, since they already added up the value of the box, which I think they said was $127.50, I'm not going to bother adding it up for you because that's already the cost of the box. Please let me know if you enjoy this beauty box, what you guys think down below in the comments. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it and share it if you could because it does help me out so much. Please subscribe if you have not already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday here on my channel. All right, loves, I will talk to you soon. Bye. Ulta, you always get great, what? Sorry. Oh, I just ripped the box. So this Mild and Mighty, what's it called? Like a flat one, like a, oh my god, you guys. I missed the product. Oh, what is this? What's happening? Let's just put the hair back down.